Mistakes on keto that stall weight loss and secrets of faster keto diet results despite its potential benefits. Many people who use ketogenic diet to get back into shape find themselves hitting plateaus or not seeing the results they hoped for. This comprehensive guide will delve into the common mistakes people make on the keto diet that stall weight loss and provide actionable tips to achieve faster and more sustainable results. Albeit numerous health food nuts experience fast weight reduction soon after beginning this eating regimen, levels in which your weight adamantly remains the equivalent are additionally normal. Weight reduction isn't generally a straight interaction. Encountering levels or periods when you don't shed pounds is normal on any eating regimen, remembering for the keto diet. So let's see some common mistakes that stall weight loss on keto. Consuming too many carbs. One of the most common reasons for stalled weight loss on keto is not reaching or maintaining ketosis. This often happens when people consume too many carbohydrates. So what can you do? Track carb intake. Use a food diary or an app to monitor your daily carb intake. Aim for 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day. Second, you can read labels when you do shopping. Pay attention to hidden carbs in packaged foods, sauces, and condiments. Eating hidden carbs. Many foods, even those that seem low in carbs, can contain hidden carbohydrates that add up throughout the day. On the off chance that you observe that you're not getting thinner on the keto diet, it's critical to assess your carb admission cautiously. In any event, eating only a couple of additional grams of carbs largely adds up rapidly and may keep you from entering ketosis. It's a characteristic cycle by which the body will change over energy from proteins and fats into glucose when glucose isn't promptly free. In a low-carb or ketogenic diet, gluconeogenesis will happen at different rates to keep up with body capability. Our bodies needn't bother with lots of carbs, however we in all actuality do require glucose. You could eat a no-carb diet and through gluconeogenesis, your body would change over different substrates into glucose for fuel. This is the reason carbs make up relatively small % of your keto macros. A ketogenic diet is certainly not a low-carb, high-protein approach to eating. Fat should be your essential fuel source, and that implies finding unadulterated fat sources that do exclude protein, for example, spread or sound oils to add into your dinners. Be cautious with vegetables. Some vegetables, like carrots and tomatoes, have higher carb content. Opt for leafy greens and low-carb vegetables. Check ingredients. Be vigilant about reading ingredient lists for added sugars and starches. Consuming too little fat. Many people new to keto struggle with the concept of high fat intake. Consuming too little fat can lead to feeling hungry, which may result in overeating carbs and protein. Embrace healthy fats. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and coconut oil in your diet. Fat-rich snacks. Keep keto-friendly snacks like cheese, nuts, and olives handy to ensure you're getting enough fat. Dehydration. Dehydration can slow down metabolism and make you feel sluggish. The keto diet has a diuretic effect, leading to increased water loss. Water is vital to all that your body does, including consuming muscle versus fat. If you're not drinking sufficient water, your digestion will slow, stopping weight reduction. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, more if you're physically active to flush out poisons, and consume fat. Ensure you're getting enough electrolytes. The keto flu is a good sign you're headed in the right direction, but you can minimize the symptoms by taking supplements to balance your electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Poor sleep habits. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, leading to weight gain and stalled weight loss. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep routine and create a calming bedtime environment. Limit caffeine and screens. Avoid caffeine in the late afternoon and minimize screen time before bed to improve sleep quality. Nutrient deficiencies. Focusing solely on macronutrients such as carbs, protein, fat and neglecting micronutrients, vitamins and minerals can lead to deficiencies that affect overall health and weight loss. Eat a variety of foods. Include a diverse range of vegetables, nuts, seeds, and high-quality animal products to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Consider supplements. In some cases, supplements may be necessary to fill gaps in your diet. Common supplements for keto include magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Fresh vegetables, high-quality meats, and natural fats should be the cornerstone of your meals. Limit packaged snacks. Use packaged keto snacks sparingly and always check the ingredients list for hidden carbs and unhealthy additives. So what are the secrets to faster keto diet results? Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. And its benefits are accelerated ketosis, since fasting can help your body enter and maintain ketosis more efficiently. Enhanced fat burning. Prolonged fasting periods encourage the body to burn stored fat for energy. Improved insulin sensitivity. Since intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier to manage blood sugar levels. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories. Strength training helps preserve muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Physical activity can deplete glycogen stores, encouraging your body to produce more ketones. Customizing macronutrient ratios. Everyone's body responds differently to macronutrient ratios. Fine-tuning your carb, protein, and fat intake can help optimize your results. Use a food diary or app to monitor your daily intake and adjust as needed. Try different ratios within the keto framework to see what works best for you. Consider working with a nutritionist or dietitian to tailor your diet to your specific needs and goals. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to success on the keto diet. Fluctuating between high-carb and low-carb days can disrupt ketosis and stall progress. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid last-minute temptations. Educate yourself about the keto diet and continuously seek new recipes and tips to stay motivated. Set achievable short-term and long-term goals to keep yourself motivated and on track. Monitor ketone levels. Monitoring your ketone levels can provide valuable insights into whether you're in ketosis and how your body is responding to the diet. Blood ketone meters provide accurate and real-time readings of your ketone levels. Breath analyzers measure acetone levels in your breath, a byproduct of ketosis. Manage stress. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, leading to increased appetite and weight gain, particularly around the abdominal area. Practice mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Regular exercise can help manage stress and improve mood. Ensure you're getting enough sleep to support overall health and well-being. Continuous learning. The keto diet is dynamic, and ongoing education can help you stay informed about the latest research, recipes, and tips. Stay updated with books and online articles from reputable sources. Participate in keto forums and social media groups to share experiences and gain insights from others. Seek advice from nutritionists, dietitians, and other health professionals to tailor the diet to your needs. Achieving success on the keto diet requires more than just reducing carbs and increasing fat intake. By avoiding common mistakes and implementing the secrets outlined in this video, you can enhance your weight loss results and improve your overall health. Stay informed, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. If you do want to learn more how to live healthier, get back into shape through keto lifestyle and get tips of what foods, subscribe to this channel. Eating healthier does not have to be expensive. If you check the links below this video, you have the opportunity to sign up Thrive Market Food Store, where you can buy healthy, fresh and keto-friendly groceries and other kind of products 30% below retail price. Also, if you sign up now, you will get a $60 gift. Thank you for watching this video.